Welcome! In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your headphones are not detected on this tablet. First of all, try restarting your tablet. To do that, hold down the power key and then select the restart option right here and confirm restarting. Let me get back to you in a while when the tablet is restarted. Now, if this didn't help, then try checking your volume, try setting it up to the highest level and checking the sound. And if this doesn't change, if this doesn't help, then you can try either connecting a different pair of headphones to your tablet or try connecting the problematic headphones to another device and see if some of this will work, so that you know where the problem is. Now, if you think that the problem is within the tablet, you can go to the sound settings right here and check if the sound is set, if your sound is not muted, and also check if the sound for music videos and games is enabled. Now, if all of the above didn't help, check the Bluetooth and check if any other devices aren't connected to your tablet. Okay, of course you should have the Bluetooth enabled to check that. Next, go to System and Updates, go to Reset, and try resetting all settings like this. Confirm, and then once the settings are reset, try reconnecting your headphones to your tablet. And if this doesn't help, then the last resort would be to perform the factory reset. It's located in the same location right here. Reset tablet, and confirm by pressing reset tablet again. And that will be it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.